Do you want to master the guitar quickly? Here's a secret. Imagine becoming a virtuoso guitarist just by learning to play one song properly. It may sound counterintuitive, even cliché, but trust us, it's possible. The song in question, Hotel California by the Eagles, specifically the acoustic version from their Hell Freezes Over album. Why this song, you might ask? Well, there are 4 compelling reasons. Firstly, unlike many other songs that include a rhythm, a solo, some riffs, and fillers, Hotel California, from a guitarist's perspective, is a treasure trove of techniques. It's like a comprehensive manual, covering nearly every guitar technique you'd need to master. So by learning this song in its entirety, you'll automatically ensure that you're well-versed in a wide array of guitar techniques. Secondly, the intro to the acoustic version of Hotel California is a lesson in finger-picking and Spanish-style guitar playing, while simultaneously exercising your fingers on the fretboard. It's like a mini boot camp for your fingers, preparing them for the complex maneuvers they'll need to perform. Thirdly, the song forces the guitarist to be versatile. You'll be playing the lead guitar, rhythm, bass parts, fillers, and more. By the time you're done learning this song, you've essentially become a one-person band, mastering the guitar in all its glory. Lastly, the song includes a variety of guitar fingering techniques, from slides, hammer-ons, pull-offs, and alternate picking, to harmonies, bass notes along with lead notes, chords, strumming, finger-picking, and Spanish-style solos. It's like a buffet of techniques, and by learning to play Hotel California, you'll get to sample them all. In essence, by learning this one song, you're not only learning to play a timeless classic, you're also equipping yourself with the skills to play virtually any other song. So, are you ready to embark on this journey? Stay tuned as we delve into this concept and become a master guitarist together. Hotel California is not just a song, it's a diverse set of guitar techniques packed into one. This single composition by the Eagles, particularly the Hell Freezes Over acoustic version, is a treasure chest of guitar methods that have the power to transform a beginner into an advanced player. Let's start with fingerpicking. Hotel California's intro is a masterclass in this technique. The Spanish-style intro forces you to exercise your fingers on the fretboard. It's an intricate dance that demands precision, timing, and control. As you navigate through the notes, your fingers gain the agility and strength needed to execute complex tunes. The process may seem daunting at first, but with practice, you will see a marked improvement in your finger-picking skills. Next, we move on to the rhythm. The pulse of any song, the rhythm in Hotel California is a beautiful blend of consistency and variety. It serves as the backbone, providing a steady beat that drives the song forward. Playing the rhythm part of this song will enhance your timing and strumming skills. It's a lesson in maintaining a steady tempo while incorporating strumming patterns that add depth to the music. But Hotel California isn't just about rhythm. It also demands you to step up as the lead guitarist. The song is interspersed with several lead parts that showcase the beauty of the melody. These segments will sharpen your skills in picking out single notes, bends, and slides. They'll train your fingers to move smoothly across the fretboard, hitting the right notes at the right time. Let's not forget the bass parts. Often overlooked by beginners, the bass in Hotel California is integral to its sound. It creates a solid foundation over which the rhythm and lead parts are layered. Playing these parts will give you an understanding of the low-end frequencies and how they contribute to the overall sound of a song. Hotel California also includes a plethora of fillers. These are short musical phrases that add flavor to the song. They might seem insignificant, but they play a crucial role in enhancing the song's mood and character. Mastering these fillers can significantly improve your improvisation skills, enabling you to add your unique touch to any song. Finally, let's talk about the harmonies. Hotel California is rich in harmonies that add depth and complexity to the song. These harmonies are not just limited to the vocal parts, but are also present in the guitar parts. Learning to play these harmonies will develop your ear for music, enabling you to understand and create beautiful soundscapes. And that's just scratching the surface of what this song has to offer. Hotel California is a journey into the art of guitar playing. It's a song that teaches, challenges, and inspires. All it asks for is your time, patience, and passion. So pick up your guitar and start strumming. The road to mastery begins with the first note. Hotel California challenges you to be a versatile guitarist. Now, this might sound intimidating, but it's this very complexity that makes the song a treasure trove for guitar learners. The song demands a transition between various guitar playing roles: the lead, rhythm, bass parts, and fillers. Let's start with the lead guitar. This is where you get to shine, to take the center stage. The song's lead guitar parts are melodious and powerful, demanding precision and a strong understanding of notes. It's not just about playing the right notes, but playing them with the right feel. Mastering the lead in Hotel California gives you a taste of being the star of the show. Then there's the rhythm guitar. Playing the rhythm isn't about standing out, it's about blending in. It's making sure that the song has a consistent beat and a solid foundation. As you strum along to the rhythm of Hotel California, you'll learn to become the backbone of the music, the steady pulse that keeps the song alive. But don't forget the bass parts. These often overlooked elements are essential to giving a song its depth and weight. Hotel California's bass parts teach you to appreciate the lower registers of the guitar, to understand how they can add depth and richness to a song. Lastly, the song incorporates various fillers. These are the little embellishments that add color and texture to the music. Playing the fillers in Hotel California allows you to experiment with different sounds and techniques, enhancing your creative expression. The beauty of Hotel California lies in its intricate design. It's a song that doesn't let you stay in your comfort zone. It pushes you, it challenges you, and it demands versatility. But it's through this demand that you grow, that you evolve into a well-rounded guitarist. By mastering this song, you'd have mastered the art of versatility in guitar playing. So don't shy away from the challenge. Embrace it. Because in the end, it's through overcoming these challenges that you truly learn to play the guitar. Finger techniques are crucial in guitar playing, and Hotel California has a plethora of them. Let's dive into the deep end of finger techniques that Hotel California, in its acoustic glory, has to offer. The song is a masterclass, a one-stop shop for learning and mastering these techniques. It's like a treasure chest filled to the brim with all the guitar techniques you can think of. Firstly, we have the slide technique. It's a smooth transition of the finger from one fret to another, creating a continuous sound. It's like a bird gliding from one branch to another. In Hotel California, the slide technique is used in several places, adding a fluid character to the melody. Then we have the hammer-ons and pull-offs, two sides of the same coin. The hammer-on is where you pick a note and then tap or hammer your finger onto a higher fret on the same string, without picking again. The pull-off, on the other hand, is the exact opposite. You pick a note and then pull your finger off to a lower fret on the same string, again without picking. These techniques add a level of complexity and sophistication to the song and are used beautifully throughout Hotel California. Next, we encounter alternate picking. This is a fundamental technique where you consistently alternate your picking direction, up and down, irrespective of the string you are playing on. It's like the rhythm of a pendulum, back and forth, back and forth. It gives you speed and consistency, and Hotel California gives you ample opportunities to practice and perfect it. Lastly, we have harmonies. These are multiple notes played together, creating a rich, full sound. It's like a choir where each singer sings a different note, but together, they create a beautiful melody. In Hotel California, harmonies are used extensively, adding depth and texture to the song. But that's not all. Hotel California also includes bass notes played along with lead notes, strumming, fingerpicking, Spanish-style solos, and so much more. It's a goldmine of techniques, each one adding a unique flavor to the song like spices in a dish. So, you see, learning to play Hotel California is not just about learning a song. It's about learning the guitar. It's about mastering the techniques that make you a versatile and skilled guitarist. And the best part? You're not just learning these techniques in isolation. You're learning them as part of a beautiful, iconic song. You're learning how they blend together to create a melody that has stood the test of time. Mastering these techniques through this song is like killing two birds with one stone. You're not just learning a song, you're becoming a guitarist, a master guitarist at that. So can one song really make you a master guitarist? Let's circle back to the points we've explored throughout this enlightening journey. We've seen how the classic tune Hotel California by the Eagles, specifically the Hell Freezes Over acoustic version, can be an all-encompassing practice ground for aspiring guitar virtuosos. Firstly, we delved into how this iconic song is a treasure trove of guitar techniques. From rhythm to solos, from riffs to fillers, mastering this song essentially equates to mastering a broad spectrum of guitar techniques. It's like a one-stop shop for guitar education. We then focused on the song's intro, a beautiful blend of fingerpicking and Spanish-style guitar. This section alone is a rigorous workout for your fingers on the fretboard, pushing you to develop strength, agility, and precision. Next, we highlighted the versatility demanded by Hotel California. As you navigate through the lead guitar, rhythm, bass parts, and fillers, you're not just learning a song, you're becoming a multifaceted guitarist. It's like a crash course in becoming a one-person band. And let's not forget the array of finger techniques embedded within the song. Slides, hammer-ons, pull-offs, alternate picking, harmonies, bass notes alongside lead notes, chords, strumming, Spanish-style solos, and more. By learning Hotel California, you're not just learning to play a song, you're learning to speak the language of the guitar. So, if you're still wondering whether one song can really make you a master guitarist, remember what we've unearthed today. Hotel California is not just a song. It's a comprehensive curriculum for guitar mastery. It's a journey that will challenge you, push you, and ultimately transform you into a well-rounded guitarist. The next time you pick up your guitar, remember, mastering Hotel California could be your ticket to becoming a virtuoso guitarist. Unleash the guitarist in you. Imagine the satisfaction of strumming out the iconic chords of Hotel California with ease and confidence. Picture the awe in your friend's eyes as your fingers dance across the fretboard, bringing to life the legendary song. You have the potential to make this a reality. The only thing standing between you and mastery is practice. So pick up your guitar, tune those strings, and embark on the exciting journey of learning Hotel California. It might seem a bit daunting at first, but remember, every stroke of genius starts with a single strum. We invite you to share your progress, your struggles, your triumphs, and your experiences as you delve into the depths of this iconic song. Let's create a community of learners and masters, all united by our passion for the guitar and this timeless classic. Remember, every master was once a beginner. Start your journey to mastery today with Hotel California. That's a wrap. As we close this musical journey, we'd like to extend a heartfelt thank you to all of you who tuned in and journeyed with us. We hope you found the secret to mastering the guitar as captivating as we did. Who knew that a single song, Hotel California, could be such a treasure trove of guitar techniques? It's astonishing how the world of music continually surprises us, and we're thrilled to share these discoveries with you. Our team put in countless hours, pouring their passion into creating this content with the aim of making your guitar learning journey not just easier, but also more enjoyable. We're grateful for your support and your time. It's your curiosity and eagerness to learn that keeps us motivated to bring you more secrets from the music world. If you found this video helpful or interesting, please give it a thumbs up. Your likes are the applause we strive for, the affirmation that our work is reaching and benefiting you. And if you think this video might help someone else on their guitar journey, don't hesitate to share it. Let's spread the music, the knowledge, and the love for guitars. For those of you who haven't yet, we invite you to subscribe to our channel. We've got a lot more insights, tips, and secrets to share. By subscribing, you won't miss out on any of our future content. Plus, it's a great way to be part of our growing community of music lovers and learners. Remember, every like, share, and subscription not only supports us, but also contributes to a broader, richer music community. It's a small act that can make a big difference. As we end this video, we encourage you to pick up your guitar, play that song, and keep practicing. Remember, mastery comes with patience and persistent practice. And before you know it, you'll be playing Hotel California like a pro. Until next time, keep those strings buzzing.